Hey friends, I am here with my boat. The boat's not in the water. Something's wrong with it. We've been trying to fix it for the last 3 weeks, and today this is what we're going to do. Replaced the prop, and we are going to replace the gimbal bearing and the bellows. There's 2 of these. Anyways, we watched some YouTube videos. I ordered some parts off of Amazon, and we're gonna put them in today. And hopefully we can get this back on the water because we got some family fun coming up next weekend. I want to bring the boat out and bring some people out on the tubes. All right, let's see how this works. So we got standing water and then
a rusty bearing.
Guys, do you see something in there? It's a frog in the bellows. I can't see it. It's a frog in there.
I don't think you want to hang out in there, buddy. Yeah, there's no way we were getting that bearing out without this puller.
It's a new bearing. We just got the middle part out of the old bearing.
Something came.
All right.
Did it? Nope, there's still a little more. We got something though.
Yes.
High five. That was rough. Looks pretty vertical, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where's the flashlight? Looks good to me.
All right.
Look at that.
Never mind, I got this. There you go, there you go, there you go. Yep, they're good.